Hello guys, here is I have a Moto G5G 2024 and this one is the screen is cracked and I'm gonna show you how to replace this screen. First we're gonna apply some heat on top of that, then we're gonna remove this back cover and we need to apply more heat, and you can use it 350 degree and airflow is 150. And we almost removed this back cover. Middle of that we have to apply some heat there also. There is some glue, and camera side has a glue also. We need to apply more heat on camera side. Do not apply top of the camera, just on side, and slowly we're gonna remove it. When we remove this back cover, we need to clean later on this glue. And now we're gonna remove all the screw. Bottom side there is all the screw, we have to remove it. There is two kind of screen on the market. One is with the frame, one is without the frame, but I'm going to show you with the frame one. You almost remove this all screw. Now you're going to remove this SIM card tray, and then we're going to remove this back cover, back housing. Just unlock with this knife. We'll remove this back housing. Just don't lift it up all the way. There is fingerprint ribbon, so you're gonna slowly lift it up and disconnect this fingerprint ribbon. Now we're gonna remove this battery connection. Disconnect the battery connection. Remove this screen connection, and now we're gonna remove this two antenna connection. Now we're gonna lifting up the motherboard, and slowly gonna lifting up. Yes, come out the motherboard, and now we're gonna remove this speaker. This is the AR speaker, and slowly you're gonna use first we're gonna use alcohol, then slowly lifting up. Now we remove this AR speaker, and also we're gonna use alcohol to remove this power button plugs and volume button plugs. You can apply heat also, and also you can use alcohol. And this side also you're gonna use in alcohol, and slowly you're gonna lifting up the power button plugs. Do not rush, slowly lifting up, it's come out easily. Remove this power button plugs. Now bottom side, first we're gonna remove this loudspeaker, then we're gonna remove this charging port. Remove this charging port connection, and then we're gonna lift another charging port. Slowly lifting up with the hand, and gonna keep it on side this. Now you're gonna remove this vibration. Use some alcohol and remove the vibration. And now you're gonna remove this battery. It's a little bit hard. You're gonna apply some alcohol on side. It's a little bit hard to remove it, so you have to careful. Do not use a sharp blade. Just use it this blade and remove slowly, lifting up a little bit. Then you're gonna use it plastic tools. to remove it, doesn't damage the battery. First we're gonna lift it up a little bit with this knife, and then we're gonna use it plastic tools like that, because it doesn't damage the battery. It's very hard glue, so keep using alcohol and slowly lifting up. We remove one side already, so now we're gonna use the finger to lifting up. We already lifting up and looks nice. And now we're gonna make even the battery with these plastic tools. I'm gonna make it straight with the finger, the battery. Yeah, look straight. Yeah, keep it on side. And now we're gonna remove this flex, and you see this side is gonna be top. Remember that. And here is the new screen. And first we're gonna install this air speaker, and connection has a glue, so we don't need to put extra glue there. And now you're gonna put back this volume power button flex that has a glue on this side. Previous glue is good, so we don't need to put extra glue. And this side doesn't have glue, so we need to put extra glue. There's B7000 glue. And just wait couple of minutes, 1 minute, then put back this, so it's gonna be sticky. Install the motherboard first on top side, then just press it down, and disconnect the LCD connection. Remove this plastic and connect this flags, and organize. Bottom side we're gonna put back charging port. First we're gonna install the vibration, then we're gonna install the charging port. Connect the charging port connection, and then we're gonna put it back loudspeaker, and then connect this ribbon, and organize this. Now install the battery, and just press it down and connect this battery. Now we're gonna organize this antenna connection. White one goes down and black one on top, and connect this antenna connection. We're done here. Now we're gonna put it back housing. First we're gonna connect this fingerprint connection, then we're gonna install this back housing, and just press it down. Make sure volume button and power button is clicking, and press it down all side. And now we're gonna turn on, make sure screen is working properly. It's turning on. Swipe up, go to the phone book. Yeah, touch is working properly. And now we're gonna put it back all the screw. Before we do that, we're gonna clean all side previous glue. Now we're gonna put it back all the screw. this all the screws are same, so we don't have to worry about it. We are done with the all screw. There is one left. We're gonna put back this one and insert the SIM card tray. And now you're gonna clean this previous glue on back cover. Now we're gonna apply the glue, this P7000 glue, and we're gonna apply on all sides. After apply, we're gonna wait like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, now we're gonna set the back cover. Just press it down, and we're gonna use some tape to hold the back cover. After 3 hours, we're gonna remove it, so it's gonna be sticky. You can use clip also, but I'm just using tape. Used to I use it clip, now I use it tape, and after 3 hours we're gonna remove it. Yeah, that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.